Okay, next here we want to combine everything we have learned to create a function that lets us talk to our data frame. Our goal is to create a function that takes a natural language question. The user can provide this question and uses the LLM to generate code and then execute that code to get an answer. How it will work? The function will take a user question. For example, how many people were in first class? Then it will create a detailed prompt for the LLM, including the question and data frame schema. Third, the LLM will generate Python code. We will extract and execute the code, and the result will be printed, result will be returned. So let's start it. We are importing some libraries that we will need. Then here I'm defining my first function, talk to the data frame function. That's the name. It's basically will take a natural language question and a pandas data frame. You can see question and pandas data frame as input and return the answer. First, we will get the inputs here. Then we will get the prompt. You are a helpful Python data analysis assistant. Your task is to write Python code to answer a question about the pandas data frame. Here is the schema of the data frame name df. We created the info of that data frame here. We are passing that to within the prompt here. So here is the schema of the data frame name df. We are providing the information of that data frame to basically to our agent. Based on this schema, please write Python code to answer the following question. Then we are providing within the prompt, we are providing that question that we got from the user. We provide some rules. Example, what is the total number of passengers? Just provide the length of df. Another example. Then we are generating the code using the LLM. We saw that before. We print the question, we print the generated code, and then we get the results. So let's define this function. Now the function is run this cell, the function is defined. Now I can use that function. Here is my first question. What is the average age of all passengers? And I provide the data frame that we have. We defined data frame before, yeah. So in the beginning of this session, we created the df from the Seaborn library. So if I run it, the LLM will read the question, will generate the Python code, and then it will print the answer for me. It will take a few seconds because we are working on Claude. Let's see what happens. I'm still waiting for the response. Okay, it was not working. So what I have done, I restarted my runtime. Click on runtime, restart the session, restart session. And then I had also click on edit, clear all outputs. Then when we restart our session, we need to run the libraries that we want to use. Here I'm installing Google generative AI again, and then let's define our API key, then our data set df. Now if I go down here, I can define my function, then use the example. Should be quicker, yes. Now you can see that it's answering my question. What is average age of all passengers? You see the generated code and the result. What was the survival rate for female passengers in third class? You can see result is 50% or 0.5. Always check the code to see if it's correct or not. You can see the third example here.